Hi everyone, today we have arrived at Ikea, so I'm just going to do a quick little video about all their decorations that they have. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and without further ado, let's get started. And here they have like this dining room area with the napkins, plates, placemats, this table. I think they combined two tables? No, it's one table, but it looks like it's two, which is kind of cool. And over here they have the area to put all the plates in. And this is really pretty, this vase here. It's like two-tiered, but it's just all in one thing. And let's see, I think it's $10. Wow. That's, or is the flower $10? Yeah. The jar here is $24.99. And the fake flowers are $10. And then look at the picture frames and then the mirror. They have this room, it's like a patio. They have this stained faux decking, as well as like this L-shaped couch. And look at this cool light. And these are different, these plants that they have. I think they just hung these string lights. They're on sale for $24, and I'm not sure exactly how long they are, but it's a clever idea to hang them around the plants. And they have these lights, I think, on like this fake plant. Very cool patio setting. Here they have this really nice kitchen display, and I wanted to show this cool feature here. It looks like a cabinet, but it's actually a fridge. It's really nice to kind of hide the look of that. And then below here is the freezer and this really nice farmhouse sink. I really do love the black and white kitchen, and then the hanging shelves. And they have like this little kitchen kid set here. So nice. And then here's like their table that they're displaying. And then a whole bunch of picture frames. And this is kind of just like an overview of the kitchen, which is so cool. This is nice. This countertop priced at $687. And then these are nice. These really nice drawers. I love these handles. Very nice farmhouse white kitchen. And this is nice here, these cabinets with the lights. And let's see, it says look inside. They have like the regular shelves, or they have these clear glass ones too. Here they have an overview of a living area with the couch, this light, and then this is really pretty, this display cabinet with the lights here. Put different things. That's a cool bowl. Really nice. And then here they have the stand for the TV, and then hanging shelves. And then here they have a closet / laundry room display. Really nice, big, spacious closet. And then here they have this table with different organization for like a laundry room with the shelves. And then they have this vanity priced at $300. Comes with its, I think the chair is separate. Chair is priced at $50. And then over here they have like this girl's bedroom with the bedding. Bed frame is $250. And then they have this big shelf here. You can store a lot of different things, and even their decor pieces are on sale, like this plant for $5. These are nice, these bins for $17. Everything here is on sale. And look at this different table here. I'm not really sure what these settings are for. Oh, it's a fan. This is a fan under here. So interesting, so unique. Then over here is the dresser, priced at $500. This is a new piece here. They have this tray for $11, these fake candles. Here they have these hangers for $4.99 for an 8-pack. Or if you want a single one, I believe it's only 99 cents. And here they have this bedroom display. They have this vanity here. These nightstands, the bed, different pillows. This one's priced at $19.99. These are really nice. These pillows priced at $129. Duvet cover and pillowcase, so it's included. And then look at this tall mirror. So nice, priced at $100. And look how fun this is. It looks like a real landscape, or it looks like a real house outside, but it's not. They have these blackout roller blinds, $20. These curtains, and then look at their closet organization. Nice, you can hang up your shoes with this organization piece priced at $20. And they also have like this shoe rack down below, as well as these white hangers, and then even storage boxes up here for like purses or shoes or different things like that, priced at $15. Get this, they have of a family room from this cabinet drawer set, priced at $4.79. And then they have this couch priced at $8.99. They also look really comfortable. These really interesting lights. Table priced at $2.50. Chairs, more shelves. And it's kind of nice with like the little lights up there. So many fun pieces. These gray throws that are actually super soft. And these are priced at $7.99. There's like a little play area that they decorated. They have these little kid seats priced at $18. Comes like an orange and a blue. They have this green couch priced at $3.58. This is a really interesting light priced on sale at $18. And then they also have these shelves. These are priced at $1.50. And you can put a lot of different stuff there. And then for the crafts and stuff to hang up, they have these knobs priced at $6.99. And then as well as this like paint hanging rack priced at $10. So different ideas here. And then here's another living room area. They have all the shelves, this interesting like lane seat, and then more stands, picture frames, curtains, lights. So that is all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe and tune in for part 2 of this IKEA fall series. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.